I think the best part is just the quality of everyone involved. I mean, all the men from my peers, in the group, in the movement, to the coaches, to the female advisors, like just all of it, the quality of the people. And, I spent my whole life in the military and I'm a Christian and I think I'm a pretty good judge of character and I have pretty high standards. And I've just been so impressed with the quality of just everyone involved in this whole movement, this whole organization, and just that kind of support and that kind of, just to know that there are all these high quality men and people, and the women involved too, that are just so supportive. And I think that's the best part. The training's great and it's very helpful, but beyond that, just to be involved and associated with this quality of people is fantastic. I don't know what to expect. I don't have any real expectations. The activation method got me to a really good solid place in my marriage where I was doing everything I could to work on me and I was solid, and she left anyways. And when the divorce was final, it's like, okay, I felt lonely. Now I'm single. I never thought that would happen. I didn't think it was possible. And I got kind of stuck. So I'm at the tail end of that. I've been working on me. I got through the marriage, the divorce, all of it. I'm ready to level up, and I don't really know. I feel like I need some help in getting to that next level because I felt kind of stuck. So, I'm not doing bad, but I'm not where I feel like I should be. I don't know if it's so much clarity, but just like motivation. I've always been very motivated and very driven, and I'm kind of in a funk. I'm not really depressed, but it's like, stuck's a good word. Like I'm kind of treading water. I'm kind of at this level, and I need to get to that. I know I'm capable of so much more. I guess any remnant of what's keeping me stuck, any remnant of why I drink too much, or why my nutrition's not dialed in, why I'm not doing the things I know I should be doing, and I'm just not. Whatever has me pouring a drink and watching TV instead of that other thing I know I should be doing. It's almost impossible to describe. Amazing. I never would have believed that I could go through an experience that was so far outside my comfort zone, and that I would discover so many truths about myself that I didn't even realize, and then just surrender and move past all of that and find a new place of finding my heart, and a new place of being able to live through love and seeing everything in a new light. And it just, it changes everything. The man who walked through the door a few nights ago, he had a really good mask. He covered things well, seemed squared away, seemed put together, but was stuck and confused and knew where to go and what he needed to do, but had no idea how to actually do it. And the man who's walking out the door today knows that in the simplest sense, I just need to follow my heart. I need to lead with my heart. That's the key. It's not about strategies. It's not about, I already knew those things. What I didn't have was being in touch with my heart. And now that I have that, I'm going to be unstoppable. I would tell him to just dig deeper, connect with your heart, see the truth of where you're at, and connect with your heart and lead with love and make decisions out of love. They'll see a very soft and loving father, and my girlfriend will see just a totally different side of me. Give her that love right off the bat that she'll feel before I say a word. And my kids will see that when they come home from school tomorrow, and they'll feel it first. And then the future is ours from there. Just trust in your brothers and go. Don't think, don't question it. Just show up, and show up every day. And I challenge you not to have your life changed by it. I loved every minute of it.